people that make all the money in the currency markets do one thing different to everybody else. They trade using situational, specific trading strategies. Within the next 18 months, you could be sitting behind a trading account with about $1 million US in it. This will completely and utterly transform your life. It can be very difficult to break through those self-limiting beliefs that we have about our self-worth, our perception of who we are, and more importantly, who we're going to become. The belief we have flows into the amount of action we take. The reason we use trading strategies is this. We want a predictable way of making money every single day without exposing ourselves to too much risk.
I wanted to learn. It's a learning process, I know.
Interesting to learn.
It's very inspirational.
You can make yourself an absolute fortune.